today we have this espresso machine to share with you. It has several different functions, so you can make a single or a double shot of espresso. You can do cappuccinos or lattes. It comes with several accessories as well. So this is where you would put your coffee into. It comes with a double one or a single shot that you can place in there. This is a coffee scooper, so you can put your coffee in there and scoop it into there. And then this round part on the bottom is to press your coffee down once it is in there. Here we have a brush that helps clean out your coffee machine. This coffee machine has a section where you can put the milk into here and it frosts it and steams it for you. You would put your water back here in this back section. You just open it at the top and then pour your water in. The on and off button is on the side right here. This section is where the water leaks through and you can go ahead and take it off and pour it out. Up here is a cup warmer, so you can set your cup up here to warm it up before you put the coffee in. And today we're gonna go ahead and make some coffee.